YouTube TV. So if you want to use your YouTube TV as a beginner, then here's the beginner guide. So the YouTube app is a great way to watch videos on your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. But if you want to watch it YouTube on your TV, then things get complicated. So on your TV, select the YouTube app. Just locate the red and white YouTube icon. You remember the YouTube icon, right? So locate the YouTube icon with a white triangle on the app screen of your TV or gaming console. You will arrive at a sign in screen after opening the app. And you must download the app from your app store on or your TV if you don't have it. And once you've downloaded, to sign into your YouTube, first you just need to simply select sign in option with your mobile device to watch on YouTube on your TV. You must use a phone or tablet that has the YouTube app loaded on it and is connected with the same Wi Fi network. Once you've made your choice, open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet and log in as instructed. To sign in with your Google account using the on screen keyboard on your TV, select Sign in. To use a browser on any computer, phone, or tablet connected to the same Wi Fi network as your TV, choose Sign in with a web browser. Once you choose, you need to simply enter the code at the youtube.com/activate on your web browser, and then you'll be able to start watching videos. Now that you're signed in, use your smart TV remote control or game controller to select a video that you would like to view. You can use the same remote control to pause and skip around as well as and browse your additional videos. You can also use your Chromecast or Amazon Fire Stick or Amazon Fire TV, or you can use your Roku TV or use your Apple AirPlay or other TVs. So it's the same thing under all of your TVs. You can simply go with YouTube, go with the search, and search for the video that you would like to view, and then you'll be able to watch the video on your TV screen. You can watch the videos in high quality, and you can use the voice search if you get bored of just pressing the things on your remote. Then you can simply use the voice search, and then you can search with your voice. And you can also go with sync smart hubs and devices. You can also sync them, and you can also have a guest mode on your YouTube TV. When you have guests over, they can also watch YouTube using your account. So enabling the guest mode allows guests to freely enjoy videos without affecting the host history or playlist. So that's how you can use your YouTube TV. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.